Immobiliser fit, and this is a brand new 2024 Audi Q8-eTron. So this is the fully electric Q8, protected with a Starline Pro. So if a thief grabbed this key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle, it's going to start up as you see, but as soon as we put it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. They're going to be unable to drive it away. As you see, it's gone to neutral, the vehicle's died. We get this error that comes up, but they're going to be unable to drive the vehicle. Obviously for the customer, they can start it. If they've made the mistake, you'll see the error's clear straight away. We'll pop a code in. Once we've got our disarm tone, we can put the vehicle into gear. As you see, it remains running and we can drive off. No errors on the vehicle. Once we leave, this system takes 10 seconds to set. So we'll give it 10 seconds, attack the vehicle again, so you can see it cuts out. So if we start it, we don't get our tone, we pop it into gear, vehicle cuts out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Customer can choose from a push sequence to start the vehicle, or just have their phone in their pocket. They'll hear a tone straight away and they can drive off. No need to waste any time with a code. Our number is 0208 212 7393, and this is a brand new 2024 Audi Q8 e-tron. Thanks for watching.